Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing TrueSeaMoss Sea Moss Gel, a supplement marketed as a superfood packed with minerals, vitamins, and immune-supporting benefits. It's also one of the pricier sea moss gels out there, so we tested if it's worth the cost. Sea moss gel is rich in iodine, magnesium, and other trace minerals that support thyroid health, digestion, and immunity. True Sea Moss claims to provide high-quality, well-crafted gel with no fillers. When we tested it daily in smoothies and teas, we noticed improvements in digestion, a boost in energy, and clearer skin after a few weeks. The texture was smooth, and it blended well without leaving a strong aftertaste. The pros are nutrient density, clean sourcing, versatile use in food and drinks, and real improvements in wellness. The cons are that it's expensive. Results are subtle and gradual, and it's not necessary if you already eat a mineral-rich diet. Overall, TrueSeaMoss Sea Moss Gel is legit and delivers benefits, but it's not essential for everyone. If you want a premium wellness add-on and don't mind the cost, it's worth it. But for budget-conscious buyers, there are cheaper alternatives. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam-free.